In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. If you've been trying to contact someone and you're not sure whether they've blocked you, Discord gives you one simple sign that can help. This method is quick, easy to test, and only takes a moment to check. First, open Discord and go to your direct messages or the user profile of the person you think may have blocked you. Make sure you're looking at the correct account before you continue, especially if the person has a similar username to someone else. Taking a second to confirm that can help you avoid confusion. Once you're on that person's profile or chat, look for the Add Friend option and click it. This is the key step in the process. Discord will try to send that person a friend request, and the result can tell you a lot about what's going on. If a message appears saying that the friend request failed, that can indicate that the person has blocked you. In many cases, this is the clearest sign people use to check. Discord prevents the request from going through, and that failed request message is what you want to watch for. Now, it's important to keep the result in context. A failed friend request can be a strong indicator that you were blocked, but it may also happen if the username was entered incorrectly in other situations, or if there's another issue with the account. So while this is one of the easiest ways to check, it's best to treat it as a practical clue rather than absolute proof in every case. Also, keep in mind that if someone has blocked you, Discord is designed to protect that person's privacy. That means you usually won't get a dramatic notification telling you directly that you've been blocked. Instead, you'll need to rely on small signs like this one. So to recap, open Discord, go to the person you think blocked you, click Add Friend, and then check whether a friend request failed message appears. If it does, that's a strong sign that the person may have blocked you. And that's all there is to it. It's a very simple check, and now you know exactly what to look for on Discord.